Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It must be to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a few things ready. So big thanks to Mr. Steve at Wild Things. He got this filter looking nice. So that's gold powder coat. So you already know I gotta redo my valve covers. So gotta redo my valve covers now because I got the crispiness up in there. So we got that all taken care of, squared away and everything. That gold is crazy. Yeah, so got that. I'm gonna do the valve covers purple, so that way it breaks up everything. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do to the valley right there. Well, let's go as we go, you know. I mean, that might go purple, they might go gold, who knows. Anyway, so got the other piece back in. So piece of Mr. Mike made. Got her in. She powder coated all purple. Let me see. This thing actually has flake on. My battery's too low right now, but there's flake in there. I didn't realize it, but there she is. Switches all up. I just gotta run them to the back of the car, wire them in, and then wire them to this pretty much, and then have everything else spread out. Got the diagrams. I gotta wire in the gauges. So I gotta next few days of doing wiring. So y'all be in tune for that. Figure out where I'm gonna place that strip at. It's like clean, nice. Stewart-Warner gauges. Gotta represent the Stewart name. So got the Holly. Like I said, big thanks to Wild Things. Big thanks to Mr. Without y'all, I can't get this far with any of this. Rest in peace to the homie Jared. So continue on. So there she is. Look at that thing, man. That's crazy. So there we go. Progress, 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 progress. So it's beautiful when it comes together. So yeah. Bye, and I'll be right back. Right about. We're back. So right now, wiring in the gauges. So I love these lights. Make everything super bright. So pretty much gonna wire these gauges in. Doing a lot of wiring today. So we're working on. Got to run the switch box wires to the trunk. I start putting the panel pieces in over there. I need to get the Stewart-Warner oil pressure sending unit in. So we're working on a lot of wiring, getting stuff situated where it needs to go, and getting further closer along. So here we go. All right, so now I have the wire for the switch box ran back. So you can see it right there. Also, got the lights wired for the gauge. That's how it look like. So everything is on the dash. So she look like down there. So now all I gotta do is there's two more wires that I pretty much gotta run to ignition source on the gauges, and then I gotta run the wire for the oil pressure. I gotta actually install that unit and run it under the car, the wire down to it. So that's what she look like. It's gonna be beautiful at night in here, man. It's gonna be very beautiful. See the gauges right there. The instrument clutch is lit up. Turn off. Some of y'all don't remember, but put that back right there. So there we go. Now I'm gonna go under, wire the oil pressure, and then we'll get it started. We know the volt is reading the way it's supposed to. Started goes over to 14, so that's what the battery's reading right now. So it's good to know. So yeah, trying to get the rest of this going. I had to run to town to get a few supplies. Big thanks to Mr. Mike. Got that bow tie now. Whoa! I'm about to break my doggone charger. So just gotta do one more little wire. Gotta tighten something up, and then be able to start it. See where it's at. See how it's doing. Alright, everybody. So here we go. Go ahead and why am I holding that like it's dog on Snapchat? Alright, here we go. Like I said earlier, the bolt gauge is always gonna be where it's at. So this is Chevy. Got your little pump. Waking up angry, mad at the world. Like, why you mad, baby? Make sure there ain't no leaks under here. And oh, there you go. Like, yeah, funny. That's a fuel leak. Gotta address the elephant in the room. That's right there. Good. But I sprung a fuel leak, so I gotta figure out why that's doing that. Well, anyway. Yeah, give me a minute. So there we go. All the gauges are working. It's smooth. This car really don't get hot fast. Like, she actually does real well. It has a performance alternator in it, so it's always going to be there, and it drops back over to the other side. Pretty dope. Oil pressure's where it needs to be. I ain't gonna rev it 'cause I got that fuel leak. But yeah, everything's where it needs to be and where it's doing, so. That's all the wiring I'm doing for this video. The next video I'm doing a hydraulic wiring, so just stay tuned for that, and then we'll get back to it. But for now, I just want to make sure the gauge is wired in. Oh yeah, lights on.